like it's still a bit steamy out there as we move through the early morning hours. And as a result, we might see a sprinkle or a shower here lingering on, but most of the time it will be rain-free. Temperatures holding nearly steady. Then later today, we'll have clouds and sun. It'll be very warm and sticky with an afternoon shower or thunderstorm that could produce some drenching rainfall. High up to 89. Partly to mostly cloudy Wednesday night, low down to 72. Then Thursday, we could see a morning shower. Then we'll have clouds breaking for some sun. It'll be turning less humid with a high of 82. Much cooler on Friday with clouds and a shower or two, high 68, and then better weather for Saturday and Sunday. We'll have clouds and occasional sunshine, high up to 75 on Saturday. Sunday's high 76. Right now it's mostly cloudy. Temperatures range from 69 in Westport to 75 in Elmhurst, and Midtown at 73 and holding steady.
All right. Thank you, Matt.
You're welcome.
WCBS News Time, 1:10. This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Of the emergency alert system. In the event of an actual emergency, this system will bring you important information. This is only a test.
WCBS News Time,